Bear spray is it's a deterrent to basically, in a nutshell, make them go away. When you depress the trigger on this thing, it shoots out a large cone-shaped spray that is effective out to about 25 feet, and it covers a large area. We believe that it is effective, and it has been proven to be effective in deterring many bear attacks. As anybody that lives in any of the urban centers are aware, there can be bears anywhere, on any trail and almost all locations. So I would recommend having it on your person or your pack, whatever you usually wear, having it with you all the time. You should not have to look at this can while you're looking at a bear and try to take the safety cap off and depress the trigger tab. So you have to practice that in advance. And a lot of people that have bear spray, I know many of them, they just buy it, they put it in their pack, they've never touched it. And if I give it to them and I say, here, with your eyes closed, take the safety off and fire the spray, they have no idea how to do it. And that has caused people to get injured or die sometimes because of that. So in order to take this off, you just reach your thumb over this tab, you lift up and back, and the safety tab will fall off. These also come with a zip tie on them a lot when you buy them, and you need to cut the zip tie off, but keep the elastic leash on there. It's a personal choice about where you carry it, but I think the point is to be consistent in where you carry it. So all of a sudden you're in a very stressful, immediate situation, you don't have to think about where you're reaching for that. So I'm just gonna take the safety off. I'm gonna aim down low, and just spray like that. You wanna affect the respiratory system and the eyes, and so you're gonna aim basically at the head. If the bear is just standing there, you can just aim at it and spray it and try to get that cone to engulf the whole animal. So if it is in a charge, when you have the wherewithal to think about this while you're spraying, then you should try to aim on the lower side of the animal. Ideally, it's going to have an immediate reaction and be irritated. It's going to affect the respiratory system and the eyes and everything, and it's going to hopefully leave the area. And aiming low on the animal, if it's coming towards me, and spraying a 1 to 2 second burst. And again, this is a training canister, so there's no pepper in it, so it's not coming out with as much power, and it's not orange colored. If this was a real can, you would have seen a big spray pattern engulf the whole animal. It's variable. There's not a clear-cut answer to when you should spray and when not. But if you feel threatened, then you're gonna use your spray.